So much warmer here. Look at those beasts. That's awesome. Food's great here.
Oh, great, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Good. Get inside and take a closer look.
Oh, really? Thank you. How you doing?
Good.
That food's great here. First time here. It's awesome.
How was it?
Oh, it was delicious. I ate everything.
Love to hear it.
Y'all do a great work here.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Just finished up a rotation here. We got 4 of these edges here, so they don't burn up too much.
Wow.
Keep it rolling.
Man, so how many briskets y'all normally cook a day?
So we usually get about 35 per pit. So if all 6 are rolling, it's like 210.
Wow.
Yeah, sometimes about 2 more in the backyard. Usually do it in the summer. We do a lot of cooking for Austin.
Oh, okay. Wow. This is a life. I wish I could do this every day.
I can't complain.
I wish I could do this every day.
Never gets old.
This is awesome. Yeah. This is great, guys. I mean, they allow you to come in here, view the pits, view the food. So if you come down here, just come do that. See this fire right here? That is awesome.